Welcome to Sklearning, the series of ADF questions. In today's video, we'll break down ADF, a powerful cloud-based ETL service for data integration. If you're new to Azure or data engineering, make sure to subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Let's start another question. What is the difference between stored procedure activity and lookup activity? Stored procedure activity executes SQL procedures to insert, update, or delete data. Lookup activity fetches single or multiple records from a database. Another question, what is the difference between web activity and Azure function activity? Web activity calls REST APIs or external services. Azure function activity executes custom logic using serverless computing. Another question, how do you automate pipeline deployments in ADF? Azure DevOps CI/CD pipeline with Git integration for version control, ARM templates for infrastructure as code, release pipelines for automatic deployment.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Sklearning for more informative content.